Hello friends, myself Niranjan and you are watching the channel Quest. Today is 6th June. Welcome everybody to our today's session of our regular GK series Today in History, in which today we shall look at some of the important events happened on 6th June in history of India and the world in form of questionnaires so as to enable you to memorize easily. Friends, if you are watching the channel first time, then click the red subscribe button and press the bell icon so that you can get all the notifications of our videos. Before beginning, let's have today's thought. A dream does not become reality through magic. It takes sweat, determination and hard work. Now let's start today's session of our questionnaires. Question number 1. Who was crowned as the king of Maratha Empire in the fort of Raigad and assumed the title of Chhatrapati on this day in 1674? Answer: Shivaji Maharaj. Question number 2. Which Indian Hindi poet born on this day in 1881 whose works are Arya Shastra, Arogya Digdarshan, Rai Ka Parvat, Ritu Vinod, etc.? Answer: Giridhar Sharma Navratna. Question number 3. Which Indian freedom fighter born on this day in 1867 at Sialkot had presided over historic session of the Central Sikh League held in Lahore in 1920, under whose direction Sikhs took part in non-cooperation movement? Answer: Baba Kharak Singh. Mahatma Gandhi, Ali brothers and Saifuddin Kichlu had attended the session of this Sikh League. Question number 4. Which Indian lawyer belonging to Kashmiri Pandit family died on this day in 1867, was the first Indian to become judge of Calcutta High Court in 1863, who was also contributing articles on law matters in the English weekly The Hindu Patriot that was edited by Harish Chandra Mukherjee? Answer: Shambhunath Pandit. Question number 5. Which Indian athlete born on this day in 1939 won gold medal in 1962 Asian Games in decathlon and became the first Indian athlete to be honored with Arjun Award in 1961? Answer: Gurbachan Singh Randhwa. Question number 6. Which Indian tennis player had won the Grand Slam on this day in 1999? Answer: Leander Paes and Mahesh Bhupati. Question number 7. Which Indian language was established as classical language by APJ Abdul Kalam in a joint sitting of the two houses of the parliament on this day in 2004? Answer: Tamil. Sanskrit language became the classical language in 2005 and Kannada in 2008, Telugu language in 2008, Malayalam in 2013 and Odia language became classical language in 2014. Question number 8. Which year on this day US Congress honored Mother Teresa with a gold medal? Answer: 1997. Question number 9. What is the name of the second novel of Indian writer Arundhati Roy on this day in 2017? Answer: The Ministry of Utmost Happiness. And her first novel was the god of small things? Question number 10. Which economic cooperation group was formed on this day in 1997 in Bangkok by the countries Bangladesh, India, Sri Lanka and Thailand? Answer: BISTEC. Question number 11. Electronic iron invented by which American inventor was patented on this day in 1882? Answer: Henry W. Seeley. This electronic iron was later renamed as electric flat iron. Question number 12. What is the name of the popular video game designed by Russian software engineer Alexei Pajitnov, released on this day in 1984? Answer: Tetris. Friends, thanks for watching the video. If you feel the video is useful, then comment, like, share and subscribe.